showing hello. Zahum Asuzan Zam. My name is Susan Zam. Today we'll still take a look at this word, wet in Berom, means not. Wet is not. I have some sentences here I would like us to consider. The first one is Masiwogo wet. Masiwogo wet. I can't hear you. Like I said in one of our classes that in Berom language, wet not comes at the end of your sentence. You start expressing yourself positively and then wet makes your sentence a negative one. Masiwogo wet. I can't hear you. Remember, can't in English is cannot. Okay? Next, Rajogoingamo wet. Rajogoingamo wet. Don't play here. Don't play here. Remember, ngamo is here. Wet is not. Do not play here. Horahen wet. Horahen wet. Do not follow them. Horahen wet, don't follow them. Lastly, I have here mi wo ilo wet. Mi wo ilo wet, which means I won't go home. I won't go home. Take a look at this. If I remove wet and I say mi wo ilo, I'm simply saying I will go home, okay? But once I include wet, I am now saying I won't go home. That is mi wo ilo wet. Remember, wet is not, and wet always comes at the end of your Berom sentence to express your negativity, okay? Unlike English, where you start from the negative part, I can't hear you. Is that okay? Well, let's stop here for today. Thank you for participating in today's class. Do have a wonderful time. Bye.